Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's class of determiners. See, dear children, in this video, we will get to know what are determiners, how to use them, and types of determiners. The words which modify nouns are called determiners. These words are used before a noun to determine its meaning. They can also be used before a noun phrase to identify whether it is specific or general in meaning. We can actually see determiners to work like adjectives. They can be classified into following types: article, a, and, the, numerals or numbers, definite, first, second, both, one, 200, etc. Identified one, or in like some, few, many, all, etc. Distributive, every, each, either, neither, etc. Quantitatives: little, much, more, any, etc. Demonstrative adjective: this, that, these, those, such. Possessives: my, yours, his, her, its, ours, theirs. Interrogatives: where, what, which, whose. So these all are the types of determiners. A determiner can perform two functions. Number one, identify a singular or plural noun in number, and determine the nature of noun, definite or indefinite. Determiners also precede numbers or objects and indicates a quantity or amount. Now, dear children, we will get to know about articles. Articles can be divided into two categories: definite and indefinite. Use of indefinite articles are a or an. These two articles are used before a singular countable noun only. If a noun phrase is to be identified as singular, then we can choose between article a or an. The basic difference between them is based on the sound of a noun. See, if consonant sound, then a will come. If vowel sound, then an will come. Now we will get to know some of the uses of article the. Article the can be used before countable nouns as well as before uncountable nouns. The following are the uses of article the. Before names of physical features like that of rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, desert, the Thar, the Sahara, canals, the Suez Canal, oceans, the Indian Ocean, etc. The article come before celestial objects like the sun, the moon, which are of a kind. The article come before names of countries that include United Republic or Kingdom like the USSR, the People's Republic of China, etc. Before names of certain books like the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Upanishads, etc. The article come before a noun that represents an entire class of people, planets, or examples. The cats are known to be lazy. The Americans are celebrated for their creativity. Before a proper noun that is defined by an adjective or adjective clause. For example, the Queen of London, the great Shakespeare, etc. Before ordinals, before superlative degrees also the article come. Before a common noun that depicts a particular person or thing, something that is already referred to in the sentence. For example, the chair that is kept next to the wall. Before musical instruments like the guitar, the flute, etc. Before adverbs as comparatives like the more, the mere. Thank you, dear children.